Hiya, and welcome back to Modern Herbalist. I just wanted to report the results of the first drying session, and I've been pretty pleased with how this has turned out, to be honest. So what we're aiming for when we're drying these is basically for them to go brittle so that you could snap them, basically, and that will be the marker that they're completely dried. And I've experimented a little with this before, and sometimes the leaves have kind of browned, but I'm really pleased to see that this time they've gone completely dry and crisp, and all of the greenery is totally preserved. I think that's a really good sign. So these are not over dried, and yet they're completely crisp to the touch. So I've just been depositing these into my jar. This is just the top shelf of the drying rack that I just took off, and I'm going to be filling this up even more in a second. And I just took another big harvest, and there's still so much material on the plants, so I'm going to fill this up in absolutely no time, and then very shortly it looks like I'll be able to start chopping and having to think about packaging materials. I'm probably going to go for either sealed bags or maybe paper craft bags, something like this. I'll have to procure all of that, and then we will be ready to go to market with this. I'm really looking forward to it. Although, having said that, I'm going to do a few test runs first. So once I've sort of got enough of this, I'm going to chop it up and start making teas, and I'll get back to you all with my feedback on how the tea turns out. But really pleased with this first drying session. The room setup is working really well. Obviously there's a lot of indirect light coming in from these blinds, and everything's looking good. So yeah, just a quick update for you, and I'll check in with you shortly, probably when I have enough to start making some tea with. All right.